All right. Now, here's what's going on. Is I cannot keep my pilot light lit. After I turn it on, it wants to go out after I take my finger off of the button, off of the pilot light. So everybody's telling me I need to clean it. So I Googled it. First of all, I'm going to show you what it does. I'm going to turn the gas on. I'm going to put it on pilot. And push it, I'll pump it. Now I'm going to ignite it. No gas. Right. Special spot. Okay. Now, see, it's lit. I'm going to keep it lit for just a little bit. So that way it'll stay lit, maybe, more likely to stay lit. And then you turn it and it would stay on. But it's not. So I'm going to turn the gas off. Okay, take the front of it off. So Google on the internet says to take a paper clip and clean it. Or clean the, what is that, the thermocouple? Yeah, something like that. I'm going to clean these little ends. And then I'm going to take a pen. I should bring it over here and show you what I'm doing exactly. Okay. Okay, I think what I'm reading is this thing right here gets dirty. This is hard to hold and clean at the same time, but I know I could use a better tool, but this is just what was laying there. Okay, now I know I need to get sandpaper, and this is supposed to be stainless steel or something right here. Yeah, it's dirty. Okay, pause, and I will be right back.